All right, let's
Sir,
see.
look, sir, oh. In acetylene in chrome, sir, in seconds. Sir, luxury, sir. Sir, back to brand new. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Tay, dana loko. Kahirap mag-English. Dadaya ako po araw.
Watch, guys.
Yes, sir. Ayun, sir, oh. Sir, look, sir, in chrome, sir. Back to brand new in seconds.
I'll do the whole thing now.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Just the whole mirror.
It's okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Yes, we-
Sir, oh.
Yeah.
One more, sir, ah. Sir, one-step application, sir.
Yeah?
In chrome, sir. Back to brand new. Yes po, opo.
Let's
Check
see.
it, sir, oh.
Watch him. Well, he's got it going on now. Look at there. Look at there, my mirror. Back to brand new.
Back to brand new, sir, ah. Sir, yes, sir, sir.
Yeah, what do you think
One
about
more,
it?
sir.
No, no.
Okay, sir, sir. By the way, sir.
But wait a minute.
Everyone
I
take
got to
mine.
go in and get the family. You're going to be on my vlog now.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
look up that channel. You got the card?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, look up that channel and you'll be on
Okay,
it.
sir. Sir, you want, sir, ah? You a bill
No,
product?
not yet. Not yet. I ain't convinced, but I'm going to be right
Sir,
back.
what?
Hey, I'm going to be right back because this is about you. This vlog.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir, Jollibee nasa Makto.
Okay. See ya. Okay, guys, that was the intro of my channel today, and pretty cool. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to not get hit by motorcycles, on scooters and motorcycles. One's a motorcycle and others scooters. And we're gonna walk up here and go in now. I forgot my mask last time. But if you're returning my channel, welcome back. I've been away for a while, but I'm back in a flash, and I'm here in the Philippines. And we're about to go to into SM City. I was out in the parking lots with those guys having a good time, and they're trying to sell a product. When I come back, I might hook them up because I like my car to look good. Everybody does, right? Okay, so here we are, SM City. Hello, how are you? You watch YouTube? That's my YouTube channel. I'm vlogging today. Yeah, and you'll be on there. You want to be on there too?
Okay.
Okay, say hello to YouTube. Okay, we're gonna go in now. And I have to go to SM City. The main store, SM store. I think that's what it said. But if we meet them on the way back down, we'll meet them back down. Anyway, got a new camera today. Or yesterday, I'm sorry. And this one has stabilization. It has good stabilization because I bounce all over the place when I'm walking, and this thing's doing really well, I'm thinking. And it got dual screens where I can see front and back, or double fronts, whatever I want to do. 4 cameras. It's really awesome. I'm liking it. I'm liking the vlog. Having a good time with it. Low monthly. Check out the Mirage G4. Nice. A little dirty. I need to put the wax on and get those guys out in the parking lot to work on a little bit. Krispy Kreme donut. Gotta stay away from there. Trying to lose that weight, you know. Chowking. I like Chowking. But they're a little greasy and my cholesterol will go up, so none of that. Yesterday, I ate at the steakhouse, which is way on the other end of about a mile walking. That's how long it is to go through this mile, about a mile. Seriously, 1 kilometer easy. A little less than a mile, but anyway, here we are. And they've got it all. I think I've done a video about SM Mall, but not with a camera that keeps everything so stable. It really does. This is where I'm going. Here's the family. They must be waiting outside at video. Hello. Wave, wave. Hello, Mom.
Hi.
That's my mom. Hello, brother.
Hello.
How are you? This is my little niece. Hello, Anna.
Hi, Dad.
And there's Anna. And they're all on YouTube now. What are we doing out here? Waiting on Bet? We're waiting on Betty to come out. And guys, we're in 4 and 5, almost 5 minutes now. I was messing with those guys outside. They're selling that wax.
What?
Wax your car. The guys out in the parking lot? They're out there sweating to death trying to sell some wax. Think about giving them some, buying some on the way back through. It looks like some pretty good stuff. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna walk down here for just a second. 'Cause it always takes her a while. Guys, I got the Jolly Bee, the big bee. And we got a, let's see, there's three levels here. We're in San Fernando, SM, right on the border with Mexico. They call it the Mexico one, some people call it San Fernando one, but it's right on the edge there. Really, I'm fairly sure it's in San Fernando, but Mexico's right next door and not too far away. And here's the SM appliances, but I was wanting to go to the SM store. This is part of the store, but gosh, that's not really the place I want to go. It's gonna let you guys see everything they got, but anyway, I think I better get out here and spend a little time with my family here in the Philippines, and because they're always, look at that, St. Christopher's, silver St. Christopher's. Oh, they got some biker gear here too. Biker.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Well, where's that dog you had yesterday? Hey, you're on YouTube. You're live. Here you go. That's my card for vlogging. Yeah, join up. Hey, you know what? Watch it first. Watch this video with you on it. Tonight when you get home, watch it. Then subscribe. After. Yeah, after subscribe and like it.
Yes, sir.
And if you like it, you might not like it, but you know, you can push don't like it too, the down thumb. Up thumb or down thumb, it don't matter to me.
Like, okay, sir.
Yeah, so you're gonna be on it now.
Yes, sir. Live it.
I was just looking at your rings.
What kind of ring, sir?
What are they? Are they stainless?
Stainless steel, sir.
Stainless.
Yes, sir.
The skull ones, the biker ones.
You want to try it, sir?
No. I'm just looking. I'm gonna do a vlog on you people that's kiosk in the middle too.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from the United States.
U.S.?
Yeah. I got bracelets too. Look at all the merchandise. You got anything besides stainless and coated? You don't sell gold, do you?
We don't have silver, sir. Only stainless.
Okay. Thank you. Here's the smoke shop. I bought some Zippo lighter fluid here. See, they got smoking stuff here. I wonder if they got it. No, I ain't gonna ask that. Wow. A little bit of everything. They got cigarettes. Different. They got Indonesian cigarettes. They got Swiss cigarettes. They got. See how they now theirs they're graphic, man. Here in the Philippines, they're graphic. Look at that. Damage to teeth. Damage to everything. Anyway, I'm gonna end it with this. We'll do another one a little later on today. But with it, smoking apparatuses. Guys, here we are at SM City with the family. Jollibee, pepper lunch, all kinds of stuff. We're gonna head back that way and end this one. You guys have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch my videos. Helps me out. Helps me do more Filipino videos. Have a great day.